Okay, was making another video trying to use an air tool, and my air compressor, which is probably older than me, was leaking. And where it was leaking out of the unloader. But I've had this issue before, and what happens is there's a check valve in between the tank and the line that runs the compressor. You can see it there. Now this check valve is pretty primitive. This one is just a spring and a little rubber mat. And what happens is it gets kicked off to the side and then it lets air in. This rubber is, it's not very rubbery anymore. It's not very pliable. It's pretty old. But anyway, if you pull this hose off, you'll have to remove this hose here. Cheese and crackers. All right. You'll have to pull this hose off and get to it. I can't get this anywhere locally right now. So I think what I might do is I might pull this rubber out, and maybe give it a little bit of a wedge shape, so that maybe it can kind of return home a little bit more easily. Maybe I can do that without bending the spring too badly out of shape, but we'll give it a shot here. I wasn't thinking I'm gonna need a very uniform surface right there for it to actually seal. I don't know why I wasn't thinking about that, which I'm not gonna be able to get it uniform by hand. All right, well, we'll just do it this way. I'll put it back together. I ordered a newer check valve. One that's got a dingus on the end with some holes in it and has some kind of magic check valve in there. We'll try that one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go put this all back together over there. And we'll see if maybe just flipping it around again, which I've done a couple times, will give me what I need, which I'm not certain of. But I'll try anything. At this point, give it a shot. Alright, I'm going to be pulling this back apart, so I don't even know why I'm putting the tape on it. I guess it makes me feel better. So we'll get this on. And we'll just tape it back up again whenever the new part comes in. Which the new part, if you look up this compressor, it's like 919 something, I can't remember the model number. It actually, a lot of the online, like replacement parts and those kind of places you go to get replacement parts for stuff, show it as not available anymore. But if you go on Amazon, there's plenty of people selling, it looks like Chinese copies. So I guess thank goodness for supplies from the motherland. All right, let's run it and we'll see how the unloader works. All right, well, hey, So I guess I did all that work cutting it around when I could have just flipped it over and done the same thing, but whatever. If you're having an issue with your Craftsman, old Craftsman compressor, whoever made these for Craftsman, you have a rubber check valve like that, you may be able to just flip her around and get her to stop. Before I did that, it would leak a lot, through there, then off the head through the check valve through here, through the pressure switch, and it would just leak and have to run all the time. But anyway, I guess the flipperoo worked. I still have a replacement one in stock, or on the way from Uncle Bezos, and yeah, well, I might make a video putting that one in too. Bye.